right, welcome back to Mud Lake Ranch. Today we're here at the Iraq Veteran 8888 Range Day, and I've brought with me Nomad Air mobile internet. This device here is made for remote area camping and RVing. It provides internet service at 200 megabytes per second. They do have plans at 100 megabytes per second, but the cool thing here is it fits in this tiny little backpack, and you can connect up to 30 devices to this internet modem. So it transmits Wi-Fi about half the distance you can see here. I paced off maybe 40-50 yards and was still able to pick up the signal. So at this location, there's not good internet or good Wi-Fi service, or there's not good cellular service. I get about 1 bar with Verizon, and I've heard a lot of the content creators here saying that they're unable to connect to cellular at all. So we're going to make an announcement here and give this password out to a few people so they can connect to it and get a good bearing on whether or not this can handle the rigors of a content creator event at Iraq Veteran 8888 Range Day. So let's go check it out.
Quick announcement as well before we get started. If you go to the Otis booth, they actually have a mobile hotspot. If anyone wants to upload or check stuff, needs internet, he has a mobile hotspot that can accommodate about 30 different devices. So if you go over to the Otis booth, they will give you the password and you can have internet today if you need it, if you want to upload or whatever you need. Just come see Otis and you've got internet access.
I'm here with Raul from SAR. He's actually connected to the Nomad Internet. He was way over there on the other side of the range here. And how was your experience with it?
I tell you what, for being where we are, we're inside a holler, and I'm still able to upload long videos. I'm doing some, social media posts, and without this, I would have been up the creek without a paddle.
Yeah, so I'm glad we were able to provide you internet today. So thanks.
It definitely worked out, and I appreciate it.
All right, we're back from the range. This little unit here was absolute lifesaver for some of the folks at that content creator event. I really appreciated the ability to have Wi-Fi available to me while I was there, so I had a reliable signal and didn't have to rely on the 1 or 2 bars I was getting with Verizon. You can check this thing out. I have put a link in the description below. I do have a affiliate code and a coupon code that will be in the description as well, so it can save you a little bit money on this thing. They did provide it for free, so Nomad Air did provide this internet service for a year to Mud Lake Ranch, so we can bring this thing to other range events. Setup with this thing was a breeze. Literally all I did was took it out of the box, pulled out some of the cords. There's a cord to plug it in the wall, there's a cord to charge it, and there's a cord that goes to your battery backup. The battery backup lasts up to a week. We got about 20% of the battery was used at the range event, possibly because we had multiple people connected to the unit. It was extremely hot. It was extremely hot. It was 82 degrees, but in the sun, we had a temperature reader there that had clocked the temperature of some of the product at 126 degrees, and it was actually melting plastic. So it was kind of extreme conditions to be operating it in. But for setup, all you had to do was turn it on. Literally just attach some of the cords and push a button, and at 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, it found the right towers and provided crystal clear internet for everybody that hooked up to it. So thank you, Nomad Air. I'm Jared. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe.